A very good morning and assalamu alaikum students. I'm Miss Amina Ismail from the Smart School Syed Ahmad Khan campus and Johar campus. Today I welcome you all in social studies class. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home and you all are taking care of yourself. The chapter that we are studying is Mountains of Pakistan. So let's get started. First, dua for the recitation. Rabbi zidni ilma, O Allah, increase us in knowledge. I repeat it again. Rabbi zidni ilma, O Allah, increase us in knowledge. The topic of today is hills, book page 27 and 28. You all must have your book with yourself, so kindly open page number 27 and 28. The objectives of today's lecture is the names of the mountain. You will be able to know about their location, what are mountain ranges, hills, difference between mountain and hills. What is mountain? First of all, we have already discussed in the previous lectures. Mountain is basically a large landform. As you know that our earth has different type of landforms, and mountain is also a large landform present on the earth that rises above from the surrounding land and is in a limited area. It rises and usually in the form of a peak. It has peaks as well. Mountains are those that are higher than 600 centimeters. They will be called as mountain. If they are below, they will not call mountain. They will call hills. If they are at 600 meters, so they will be mountains. What is mountain range? Here you can see a beautiful picture of a mountain range. A mountain range or hill range in a series is a series of mountains or hill ranged in a line and connected by high ground. Basically, they are a long series of mountains or hills in a line and connected by a high ground. What is hill? A hill is usually rounded elevation. As you can see that hills are below 600 meters and they have rounded elevation. They do not have the peaks. इनकी चोटी नहीं होती. They are in round. As you can see here. Land lower than a mountain. They are lower than the mountain. A surface that slopes or drive away is a long hill. A surface जहाँ पे slopy area हो and you can our drive away is a long hill, so that place will be long hill. Difference between hills and mountain. So what is this difference between them? A natural mound of earth created either by flooding or erosion, a bump in the landscape, lower altitude and elevation, or with a rounded top. As you can see, the top is rounded and it is lower and it is small in height as compared to the mountains. They are below 600 meters, so they will be hills and they are rounded. That's not essential that they should have a name. Some hills have the name but some do not have. Now what are mountains? Are the natural mound of earth created by flaunting a steep rise in the landscape. As you can see, they have peaks, they are higher, they have high altitude and elevation with a defined summit or peak. They have definitely a peak and that peak will have the name. They all have the names. Like hills do not have the name. Some hills have, but it's not essential that all the hills have the name. So they are mound and they are lower with altitude and elevation and they are below 600 meter. So these are hill. As you can see, the top that it is round in shape, and on the mountain they have peak. Now let's start. What is Waziristan? Hills are very known. An extremely dry and mountainous range. It is divided into North Waziristan and South Waziristan. They are divided into two, north and south, and they are very dry. North Waziristan's district capital is Miranshah, also known as Miramshah. Where they are at Miranshah or Miramshah, they both are same. the local dialect. The South Waziristan Agency has its district headquarters at Wana. South Waziristan Agency district headquarters is at Wana, and of North Waziristan district capital is Miran Shah. This is a picture of Waziristan Hills. As you can see, the place is quite dry and mountainous. It has great mountainous ranges. Now, a mountain pass is a route through a mountain range. Mountain pass is called a pathway or a route through a mountain range. वो हिस्सा जो कि mountain range से गुजरता हुआ जाए, that is called mountain pass. Some of the passes in Pakistan are Khyber, Bolan, Khojar, Kuram, Tochi, Gomal, Karakoram Pass. The Khyber and Bolan Pass are the main route for invaders to enter India from Central Asia, including the armies of Alexander the Great. Basically, Khyber and Bolan are most main pathway, main routes, main pass from where you can enter to the India from Central Asia, and including the armies were also entered through this route. So what is mountain pass? Mountain pass is a route through the mountain range. Most well known and well traveled is the 53 kilometer long Khyber Pass. The most long pass is 53 kilometer. The picture below is of the Khyber Pass, and it is 53 kilometer. It is the most long pass. Pass in the Hindu Kush connecting Pakistan and Afghanistan. The mountain range that has mountain pass connecting the Afghanistan to the Pakistan. Kunjrab Pass, Karakoram Highway, also known as Silk Route. The Karakoram Highway and the Kunjrab Pass, basically known as Silk Route, and connecting Pakistan to China. It means Karakoram Pass in connecting Pakistan to China, and Khyber Pass connecting Pakistan to Afghanistan, and Bolan and Khyber Pass are the main route to enter into the India from Central Asia. And from this pass, Alexander army also used to move. I hope students you all get the lecture. Before ending the lecture, let's recall it. First of all, what is mountain? Mountains are higher elevation, they have peak, they are more than 600 meters, and they all have name. What is mountain range? Mountain range is a series of hills or mountains on the earth's surface. Mountains are basically a large landform of the earth that is present in the earth, on this earth's surface. Then what is hill? Hills are rounded from the top. They are below 600 meters, and they are often unnamed. It's not essential that they have name. They are with lower elevation and lower altitude. Then we studied about North Waziristan and South Waziristan hills. Basically, Waziristan hills are divided into two, north and south. The district capital or the district headquarters of North Waziristan hills is in Miran Shah, and of South Waziristan hills district headquarters is at Wana. What is mountain pass? A route from the mountain range is called mountain pass. वो एरिया, वो रोड जो कि माउंटेन पास से माउंटेन रेंजेस से होता हुआ गुजरे, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड माउंटेन पास. एंड द लार्जेस्ट and the longest mountain pass is Khyber Pass. Now, students, I hope you all get it very clearly. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें and stay happy and blessed.